Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add a pop-up box to your Wix website. So hey guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. This is very easy to do and you'll have no problems doing it. But yeah guys, first thing, you want to go ahead to your website dashboard on Wix.com. So guys, after entering your dashboard, you want to open your site in edit mode, and you will do that by clicking this button in the upper right corner called edit site. So guys, go ahead and click that button right there. And as you can see here guys, now this has opened up our website in edit mode in another tab. So guys, you will know you're in edit mode by all the options on the left side of the screen that enable you to edit your website. So guys, how do you add a pop-up tab? So guys, to add a pop-up, all you have to do is go ahead and click this plus sign right here called add elements. Go ahead and click on that. And click on add elements guys. Now we will want to find this option right here which is called interactive. So guys, go ahead and put your mouse on this option right here called interactive, and now you will see this option right here called light boxes. You can use either boxes like hover boxes, but it's not the same. You can still use them, but light boxes are what we want, and these are the pop-up boxes that will pop up to our visitors. So let's say we want to add this one right here. Just tap on it. And now guys, if you load up, and as you can see, this will now open up to our visitors when they visit our website. You can change the text, you can change the vector art, you can change anything you want on the pop-up box. You can put it wherever you want, you can drag it, you can resize it. And after doing that guys, just after you're satisfied with how it looks, then just leave it where you want, and after visitors visit your site, this pop-up box will appear. If you want to remove it, just click on the X sign and just click on delete on this pop-up, delete it, and then it will no longer appear to your visitors. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.